question, the circuit we have connect. It just means what they are telling. If you are connecting a 2 volt, okay, and with the internal resistance of 1 ohm at A dash. So at A dash. So what they are asking means you want to connect a 1 ohm as well as you have to connect a voltage. Voltage, what voltage? 2 volt. Okay. So may I redraw this diagram? How I redraw means the same as usual, 1 ampere, and then actually you have to go for the next is 1 ohm, and here another thing is available. This is 1 ohm, and here in the next branch you are having 2 R equal to 2 ohm. Okay, and then here in this A dash, and after here you have to connect because I told you that you have to connect 1 ohm as well as you have to connect the 2 volt, and then you have to make a simple combination. So what they have asked means, after applying, they are asking the current through R. So this is R, right? So what about the current through R? That is asking. So simply what we do, we have to apply simple thing, source transformation. Always whenever you find this current source and then a voltage source, you have to simply make a inverse and you have to make a source transformation. That's all. That's also a very key point. That is very important. Okay. And when you just apply, after applying, what you get means, listen me, you will get a simple diagram. What the simple diagram means, it is because you are getting a ampere, it becomes voltage. Is it right? Confirm. It becomes a voltage. So automatically you will get. So here resistor voltage available. Like the same way, here also resistor voltage should be available. But you have to use the resistor. Resistor definitely 1 ohm. So this one is coming here. So this one is coming here, and then this same 1 amps, so this is 1 amps, is it right, becomes 1 volt. 1 amps becomes 1 volt, that's all. Then afterwards, so this 1 ohm, is it right, so because it is now in parallel, because you are going to transformation, now what are not going to be parallel, it's going to be series. So this one, it's going to be in series. Okay, this one is going to be in series, and after, and this one is going to come under a parallel way. Okay, so I got my set right. That's simple. So what is the next one? This 1 ohm is okay. And then simple, you have to get this 2 ohm. That is 2 ohm. So this one, it is going to be here. And that's all. And you will be getting next, this one is 1 ohm. And after, normally this 2 ohm is available as usual. Okay, so this 2 ohm is available. So 2 volts, sorry. So after this, you want to make a nodal analysis. Is that right? So nodal, this voltage you have to take, and at this point, what is the voltage? And at this point, so with this one, you have to apply the current. Current means what? V by R, is it right? So you have to apply for this one, this one, this one. So you take this one means you will get it is equal to V minus. So this one is what? 1 volt, is it right? So V, we don't know, 1 divided by, what is the thing? You will get a 1 plus 1 because V by R, is it right? What is the R connected with the 1 volt? 1 ohm plus 1 is in series, right? So it is 2, and then plus, take this voltage. So V divided by, what is the resistor connected to this one? 2. That's all. Then plus, you have to get this voltage, is it right? So V minus 2, because this voltage is 2, is it right? 2, and divided by, what is the resistor available here? This is actually 1. So if we calculate this one means you will get because LCM, take LCM, everything, you will get a V minus 1 plus V minus plus 2V minus 4 divided by LCM is 2, which is equal to be 0. Otherwise, you can have 4 voltage. The type 4 voltage is equal to 5, which implies V is equal to 1.25 into V. That's all. Okay. And left side you are having I, is it right? So 1.25 divided by 2, because you are asking across R, is it right? So across the R. So that is why I am going to get 2. So this is voltage, and they have asked the question across the R. What is the R? R in between the A dash and A. What is the A dash and A? What is the R between A dash and A? It is 2. So that is equal to, what is the thing? 0.625 amps. Okay, so automatically this answer you will be getting as 0.625 amps. If you are getting choose the best answer, you have to get this one. Okay, and that's all. And next is a small correction here, because I V by R have given for example, but this one you have to make it for this section, this section, and you have to equate all this voltage to 0. That's why I get a 0 here, is it right? Okay, just forgotten. And then you have to find the I value. So you get the total voltage 1.25 divided by 2 means it is getting across resistor, etc. That's why resistor value are given, V by R, you get the answer. Okay, thank you. If you have any doubts, comment in the comment box. Thank you very much.